Tracking on the big story, this one concerning the Wayanad man-eater tiger who has been found dead. So significant development as far as that is concerned. The forest officer claimed tiger was not shot at and tranquilizing attempt on the tiger failed. You're looking at some of those visuals on your screens, which has of course been blurred due to sensitivity of the matter. Later, the man-eater tiger was found dead. The officer claimed no injury marks on the big cat. Remember, in the entire matter of this earlier, a 47-year-old woman was killed by the tiger. Cutting across to Arpita Ajay Kumar, my colleague, who will of course get us more developments as far as this is concerned. Arpita, what is the latest that you can tell us with that coming through and also the claim that was made earlier?
Well, Nivedana, finally some relief for the people of Wayanad. Finally, the man-eater tiger has found dead. The forest officials said that at 12:30 a.m. they got a news that there was presence of the tiger in the area, after which the officials tried to tranquilize it around 2:30 a.m. but the tranquilization efforts failed. They couldn't fire any shot, or they couldn't catch the tiger, but later the tiger was found dead. And when inspected, the veterinary surgeon there in Wayanad has said that wounds have been found on tiger, but it is not of any gunshot or anything. It is animal attack wound. So they are suspecting that some other animal attacked the tiger, because of which the tiger is now found dead. Now the post-mortem is currently underway, and the surgeon has said that only after the post-mortem the cause of death can be confirmed. But what is coming from Wayanad is that people of Wayanad finally are relieved, at least some relief for people of Wayanad, because finally the tiger is caught. Now they don't have to fear. But remember, this is not one such incident that's coming in from Wayanad. Human-animal conflict in Wayanad is very common. Earlier, there have been instances where elephants have attacked people in Wayanad, and now with the tiger, such cases are increasing in the state, and the people there, the locals, are demanding strict action, a permanent solution to it. But the forest officials nor the ministry or state government has come up with any final solution to it. So what the locals are demanding is that they want to live peacefully. For that, they need a permanent solution so that they don't have to fear such incidents and they can live there peacefully.
Right, Arpita. I appreciate you putting that into context for us as to how it's minor relief, and more importantly, like how we were speaking this morning as well while reporting this, how innumerable instances of human and animal conflict has come to light. But in this particular incident, of course, some sort of respite over there. Thank you for putting that into perspective about the latest. Having said that, we should